This video was sponsored by Tineco. This rug in our studio here is almost exactly 1 year old today. Happy birthday, rug. And when we laid it down, I instituted a very firm no shoes policy in this place. I wanted to keep it looking nice and clean for a long time. But as you can probably imagine, over time, we got a little lazy. I mean, I'm breaking the no shoe policy right now. So naturally, we're dragging in dirt on our feet. Not only that though, but you might not be aware of this, TV boxes, I review a lot of TVs, are possibly the dirtiest boxes circulating out there in the world today. I don't know what's going on, but these things are filthy. I'm not making this up. Look, this is the dirt that just came off of my fingers on this particular TV box. So you can imagine, as I'm dragging boxes across this rug, day in and day out, it gets a little bit dingy in here. So we already needed a carpet cleaner up in this space, but then today, I'm not making this up, this just happened 15 minutes ago, which is part of why we're doing this right now. I went to go vacuum this carpet with this hybrid vacuum wet mop thing that I have, and it failed miserably. I don't know what's going on with that thing, it's defective or busted or something, but it just dumped dirty water all over this rug, and we have got to clean it up. So you can imagine how serendipitous it feels right now to have this Tineco Carpet One S7. This is a brand new product from Tineco. The S5 was extremely popular. This one is meant to be even more powerful, more easy to use. In fact, they say that it makes cleaning your carpets a lot like just vacuuming your rug. So we're gonna see if it lives up to that hype. But first, we've got to pull this thing out of the box. So let's check it out. All right, here we go. Now it says smart, powerful carpet cleaner. Powerful, I understand. Smart? Really curious. It's definitely not a robot. Looks like we've got all kinds of accessories here. Well, if you consider a handle an accessory, I would not. That's rather essential. But we do have a cleaning brush, it looks like. Some instructions. We'll set that stuff aside. All right, cool. So it does have hand attachments. I love that. Definitely feel like those need to be included for those smaller jobs, but also they're a clutch for cleaning your car. Not sure what that is. It looks like it's probably gonna be a hose holder, but we'll find out in a minute. This is gonna be part of the stand, it looks like. So that's great. There we go with the tank for this guy. Comes with pre-treat formula spray bottle, and then a bottle of Care and Deep cleaning solution. The hose for the smaller cleaning head right there. All right, and we got the main event here. So, cast that aside, no big deal. Don't care how dirty that box is because we'll be cleaning the carpet soon. I mean, to be honest with you, I kind of like cleaning carpets. I think it's super satisfying. This is looking like a pretty well-built unit. All right, so we've got everything out of the box, and now it's up to me to figure out how to put this together. Looks like this handle just clicks right in place. Sure enough. Portion of the stand is now assembled. Man, I'm cruising. So we will definitely get into the hose attachment later. There's a couple of spot treatments I'm going to want to do with this in a little bit. So I've owned enough carpet cleaners to know one of the things I'm looking for is easy disassembly. I want it to be very simple to take things apart. I can do this with one hand. This is where all the dirty water flows. This comes off super easily. One hand, no problem. I can already tell you this is going to be easy to clean, and I haven't even cleaned it yet. These bristles feel good. Like they're stiff enough, but not like super rigid. So I feel like they're gonna do a great job beating the carpet and helping to extract some of the nasty that's buried in there. So I decided to go ahead and tab through the instructions, although I know a lot of people don't do that. I am that kind of person. And I mean, really, I don't need to. This thing is clearly easily operated. This thing just detaches super, super simple, very clear where you want to put your cleaning solution and water. Recovery tank is here. It's all very clearly labeled and it all very nicely clicks together. So yeah, you could be cleaning carpets within 5 minutes of opening the box, if that. But through looking in the instructions here, I've noted that it has a digital display that I'm looking forward to seeing when I turn it on. Self-cleaning mode, it's got a feature that helps dry the carpets. I'm really looking forward to checking that out. It has a dirt monitoring loop, so it will actually let you know how much cleaner the carpets are getting. If you need to go over for a second pass or a third pass, it'll let you know with a color-coded indicator how it's doing with the cleaning. I can't wait to check that out either. Oh, another thing, there have been times when my carpet cleaner just straight up wasn't working and I couldn't figure out why. This actually has some malfunction indicators, so if something is blocked or otherwise not functioning as expected, it'll tell you what's wrong with it. You don't have to go hunting down the problem.
Powering on, auto mode.
Okay, so we're plugged in, playing around with the different modes, and well, the S7 tells you what those modes are with a voice that I don't mind hearing. It's clear and intelligible and instantly lets you know what mode you're in, which is great for me because I tend to accidentally press buttons while I'm cleaning. Okay, time to get to work. I added cleaning solution and water to the tank, stepped on the handle release button, and I'm instantly shocked at how easy the S7 is to maneuver. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna turn this off.
Powering on. Powered off. Please place the appliance back on the tray.
Can do, but I had to stop there for a second. I just wanted to see how it felt to use it. It's like a powered lawnmower almost, in that it has a powered assist forward and backward. Now I understand how it's supposed to be so easy to use. And there's different levels too. There's a little switch on the side here that allows you to change the force with which it self-propels. And I gotta tell you, that's a game changer, but I'm getting ahead of myself here. I waited to test the carpet cleaner until I was done unboxing and reboxing about 5 TVs, and then before I got to cleaning, I checked out the S7 app real quick, which I think is fun and handy, but you do not need it to get a great experience from this machine. Finally, it's cleaning time, and folks, I just did a single pass over about 4 square feet of carpet, and well, the results speak for themselves. Look at the grime we've extracted already. I dumped it into a clear bowl so you could really see it. Then I tested out max mode, which I probably should have used in the first place, but got even more dirt out, though significantly less this time since I'd already done a pass. Then we go into drying mode, where I was able to extract even more water as the S7 blew hot air into the carpet to hasten the drying process. When I was done, I was thrilled to feel that the carpet was barely damp and in about an hour, totally dry. So then I had to try out the handheld one, and my favorite part about this, other than the super powerful suction, was how easy it was to connect. Just pull open the cover with one hand, click the attachment into place, that's it. And it disconnects just as easily. Super effective tool. Once I was done cleaning, I set the S7 onto its base station and hit the self-cleaning button. And I was pretty amazed by how much dirt it extracted from the roller and how clean it left the clear plastic pieces. It even dries out the roller so that it doesn't get stinky or mildewy. All I had to do was rinse the tank, and that took like 60 seconds. Guys, this is not a review. Like I said before, we don't do sponsored reviews, but in the making of this video, I kind of treated it like a review, and I am seriously impressed. I totally understand why the Carpet One S7 is so popular.